Naveen, what happened in the previous classes?
I wasn't at home.
Okay. Roshan is there?
His internet is slow for some reason.
Okay.
He'll join it.
Okay. All of you switch on the video. Renil, Rahul, okay, Niranjan, Dia. Okay. We are discussing about the topic logic circuit, isn't it? Some homeworks are there. Any doubt regarding the homework? Dia, any doubt regarding the homework?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone? Okay. So our next topic is laws of Boolean algebra. Okay. Write the heading laws of Boolean algebra. These all laws are related with maths. I think you learn all these laws in mathematics. Commutative law, associative law, distributive law. Isn't it? Okay. I will just explain what is commutative law, associative law, distributive law and all these laws, and you want to write the truth table based on this law and also draw the logic circuit based on the law. Okay. So the first law, it is commutative law. In all the section we have two laws based on OR gate and based on AND gate. Okay. In commutative law, the first law it is based on OR gate, that is x plus y is equal to y plus x. Okay. What is x plus y is equal to y plus x? If there is a change in position, there is no change in value, that is commutative law. X plus y, if we use x first and add with y, and if we use y and then x, the result is same, that is commutative law. X plus y is equal to y plus x. Oh, we can write a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay. Any variable name you can use. The concept is the order is not important in the case of commutative law. If a is first, then b is first, then no problem, the result is same. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Then just prove this. We can prove this using truth table, that is a b, then I will write a plus b. After that I will write b plus a. Okay. Okay, Ranil. Ranil, which are the input values for a and b? Which are the input values of a and b for a truth table?
0 1 0 1.
Yes. In which column, Ranil?
B.
Okay, correct, Ranil. 0 1 0 1. The next column it is 0 0 1 1. Okay. Then what is a plus b? A plus b it is, Rahul. What is a plus b?
0.
0 plus 0 0. Then 0 plus 1?
1.
1. Then 1 plus 0?
1.
1. Then what is 1 plus 1?
1.
1. Okay. Then what is b plus a? B plus a means 0 plus 0. It is same. 1 plus 0. It is 1. 0 plus 1. It is again 1. 1 plus 1. It is 1. So we prove that a plus b is equal to b plus a. In a plus b, the result is 0 triple 1. In b plus a also, the result is 0 triple 1. Okay. So we prove this commutative law using truth table. So our question is, true prove commutative law using truth table. If the question is like that, you want to draw the truth table and give input values like A, B, and first column it is LHS, that is A plus B. After that, write the column B plus A, and you just mention the second column and the second last column and last column is same, that is B plus A and A plus B is same. Okay. So the first commutative law it is x plus y is equal to y plus x. That is the first commutative law, that is the law based on OR gate. Same as a law based on commutative law based on AND gate, it is x dot y is equal to y dot x. The same way you just prove using this truth table. Which are the input values? 2 input gates are x and y, and the third column it is x dot y, and the last column it is y dot x. Okay, you find out the result of x dot y and y dot x. Alan, switch on the video. Naveen, which are the inputs for x and y, Naveen? It is same as A and B. Naveen? Just try, Naveen. Two inputs are there. Two inputs are there, Naveen. It is x and y. What is the next column, Naveen?
Z.
No. Our expression is x dot y is equal to y dot x. Just like a plus b is equal to b plus a. So our next expression it is x dot y, which is equal to y dot x. So our input is x and y, and the next column it is we have to find out x dot y. So write x dot y. Then we have to find out y dot x. So it is y dot x. So these are the 4 columns. Okay. Okay, Naveen? Then the inputs are for y it is 0 1 0 1. For x it is 0 0 1 1. It is common for all the 2 input expression. Here we are using 2 input x and y. So the input is same for all 2 input expression. Okay. So the input for y it is 0 1 0 1, and for x it is 0 0 1. Then you want to find out x dot y. What is x dot y? Dot means multiplication. So x dot y it is 0 dot 0, it is 0. 0 dot okay. 1. Here it is 1.
1. Yes.
Why?
First opposite.
No. We are using x dot y. X dot y means
0 plus 1. 0.
0 into 1. Dot means multiplication. So 0 into 1. What is 0 into 1, Naveen?
0.
Okay, correct. Then what is 1 into 0?
0.
0. Then what is 1 into 1?
0.
1 into 1?
1.
Okay, correct. Then what about y dot x? Y dot x it is, y it is 0, x it is 0. Then 0 into 0. What is 0 into 0? 0. Then 1 into 0.
0.
0, correct. 0 into 1.
0.
0. Then 1 into 1.
1.
Correct. Got it, Naveen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the truth table for second commutative law. The second commutative law, it is x dot y is equal to y dot x. Here x dot y values are 0001 and y dot x is also 0001. So x dot y is equal to y dot x. Is it clear, that commutative law? Okay. So the first law of Boolean algebra, the first law, it is commutative law. The first commutative law, in commutative law two laws are there. First one is based on OR gate and second one is based on AND gate. The first law, it is based on OR gate, it is x plus y is equal to y plus x. Okay. Then x dot y is equal to y dot x. Then draw the logic circuit for first law. Draw the logic circuit for first law. First you want to draw x plus y, then give one equal to symbol. After that draw y plus x. Now we need G switch on the video. Our question is x plus y is equal to y plus x. How you draw the logic circuit? Pooja? How we can draw this x plus y? Using OR gate. That is, this is the OR gate symbol. The output, it is x plus y. Which are the inputs? It is x and y. Okay. Then which is equal to another OR gate, that is y plus x. The first input, it is y, second input, it is x. Okay. This is the logic circuit for first commutative law, that is commutative law based on OR gate. So draw one OR gate. The first input it is x and second input it is y. So the final output, it is x plus y, and which is equal to draw one OR gate. The first input it is y, second input it is x. So the output, it is y plus x. Okay. Then draw the logic circuit for second law, second commutative law, that is law based on AND gate. Completed, Diya? Okay. Naveen completed? Okay. Renil completed. Okay. First one it is x and y. The output it is x dot y, which is equal to another AND gate. The output it is y dot x. The first input it is y. Second input it is x. Okay. This is the logic circuit for second commutative law. So the first commutative law it is, there are two commutative laws in first section, that is first is based on OR gate, that is x plus y is equal to y plus x, and second one it is based on AND gate, that is x into y is equal to y into x. Okay. So the next law it is associative law. Write the law first. Associative law. What is associative law? X plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. That is based on OR gate, and based on AND gate it is x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. Associative law it is x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z, x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. So our associative law it is x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. That is the first one. That is, first we find this y plus z, after that we add the result with x. And in the second case, first we find this x plus y, after that the result is added with z. The result is same for both these Boolean expression. That is associative law. Okay. So in associative law, how many inputs are there, Rahul? 3 inputs. Then how we can draw the truth table, Alan?
Put the 3 inputs.
3 inputs. Which are the inputs, Alan?
X, Y, Z.
Which are the input values for x, y, z? For z?
Y plus Z, then X plus.
Y plus z, then x plus y plus z is the next next column. Then next column it is for this one. First one it is x plus y. Then last column it is x plus y plus z. Alan, which are the input values for z?
0, 1, 0.
0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How many 0 1s are there?
8.
8. Correct, Alan. That is z. This is 3 input expression. So we are using 8 inputs. 2 raised to 3 it is 8 inputs are there. So the first column z is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then the second column it is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The last column it is 4, 0, 4, 1. Okay. Then complete the truth table. First you want to find out y plus z. Y is 0, z is 0. Then what is 0 plus 0? 0 plus 0 it is 0. Okay. Just like that, find out all the y plus z value. After that, add x with this y plus z. X plus y plus z. So x is this, then y plus z is this, then 0 plus 0 it is again 0. Just like that you want to find out the result. Niranjan completed. Okay. Diya, Jees, Navneet, switch on the video. Navneet completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Jewel, which are the final values for LHS?
0 and full ones.
Okay. Is it correct, John? John Philip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Diya, what about the last column result? X plus y plus z.
0, then rest of all is 1.
Okay. So, the result is same. If there is any change means there is a problem based on your operation, okay? Your calculation. In this case, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. It is correct. There is no change in the result. If there is any change between, if your x plus y plus z and x plus y plus this column, your this column and this column is not equal means there is some mistake in your calculation. Okay. If there is a mismatch in these two column, you check the calculation. Okay. Then draw the logic circuit for x plus y plus z, which is equal to x plus y plus z. How we can draw? I will just show one side. LHS I will show. Okay. Here, which one is the common operator, G's? In this first Boolean expression, here the first term it is x. Then what about the second term?
Y.
No, it is y plus z. Okay. So the first term it is x and second term it is y plus z. Okay. So the common operator it is one OR gate. Here only OR gates are used. So the first OR gate it is x plus y plus z. Then which are the two inputs? Rahul, which are the two inputs for this OR gate? Rahul? Okay, which are the two inputs for this OR gate?
X and y plus z.
X, correct. X and y plus z are the two inputs for the first OR gate. The first OR gate input it is x, second input it is y plus z. Then how we can find out this y plus z? John Joes, how we can find out this y plus z?
Ma'am, y plus z in the
Using which gate?
OR gate.
OR gate, okay. So draw one OR gate. Then the first input it is y, second input it is z. So the result it is y plus z. So this is the first logic circuit, that is x plus y plus z. How we can draw this x plus y plus z? Here the first term, this is the common operator. Here two terms, two operands are there. The first operator it is x and second operator it is y plus z. Is it clear, Naveen? Naveen?
I'm not really.
What, Naveen?
I didn't understand that much.
Okay. Here plus is the OR operator. Then two operands are there. The first operator it is x and second operator it is y plus z. So for representing this plus symbol, we are using one OR gate. Okay. So this is the OR gate for representing plus. Then for this plus we are using two operands, two inputs. The first one it is x and second one it is y plus z. So first I draw x and second input it is y plus z. Then how we can draw this y plus z? Again here we are using plus symbol. Plus symbol is represented using one more OR gate. So draw one OR gate. Two inputs are y and z. So first input it is y, second input it is z. Okay. Draw.
Understand.
You got it, Naveen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Draw the second part, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. So here again plus is the common operator. So first draw one OR gate and the two inputs are x plus y and z. Vinaya completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are discussing about associative law. The first associative law is based on OR gate, that is x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. And the second law, that is based on AND gate, it is x dot y dot z which is equal to x dot y dot z. This is the second law, second associative law, that is the law based on AND gate. Then evaluate this second law using truth table. Evaluate this second associative law using truth table. Niranjan, which are the columns?
X, Y, and Z.
X, Y, and Z. Then
X into Y.
this one, x into y for this
Yeah.
for this expression. Niranjan,
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Y into Z.
y into z. Okay.
Then X into Y into Z.
X into y into z. Then
X into Y.
x into y.
Then X into Y into Z.
Okay. X into y into z. Do it fast. The input combination is same for the previous associative law. That is 3-bit table are using here. Then the input it is first row we will write 0 1 0 1 8 0 1. Then next column it is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Last column it is 4 0 4 1. Then first you want to find out y dot z. Y dot z means y into z. That is 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1, just like that. After that, calculate x dot y dot z. Any doubt, Naveen?
And can you show the presentation again?
Okay. Vinayak, read the answer. For x dot y dot z, which one?
Ma'am, last answer.
X dot y dot z, this column.
7 zeros and 1 1.
Oh, 7 zeros. Is it correct, Tom? What about this column, Tom? X dot y dot z, last column? Same. Okay. Naveen, your answer is correct?
No.
Naveen?
No. Plus
Okay.
and correct.
Okay, okay. So, the first law it is commutative law, second law it is associative law, and the next law it is distributive law. Distributive law it is, and associative law and commutative law we are using for first expression, we are using the same operator. Okay, here we are using or only. Here we are using or only. Here we are using and only. In associative law also, first statement is based on completely based on or gate. Here completely based on and gate. But in the case of distributive law, what is distributive law? We are distributing. So here we are using and gate and or gate. Okay. In distributive law we are using, in first expression we are using and gate first. This is the first distributive law. The first distributive law, it is x dot y plus z. We distribute this and operator. Here we just simplify like x into y. That is the first term, x into y. Then we use this plus symbol here, so plus. After that, x into z. This is the first distributive law. That is x. Here x is common for y plus z, so we just expand this term like x dot y plus x dot z. That is first distributive law. Then what about the second distributive law? It is instead of dot we are using plus. Then y dot z, which is equal to, how we can expand this g's? How we can expand this x plus y dot z? Any idea?
X into y plus x into
Here we are using plus symbol first. So x plus y, that is the first term. Okay. X plus y into, then x plus z. Okay. X plus y into x plus z. That is the second distributive law. In distributive law, the first law include both AND gate and OR gate, and the second law also we are using OR gate and AND gate. Okay. But in associative and commutative law we are using, in first law we are using only OR gate. Second law we are using only AND gate. But here in distributive law we are including both the operators, and or gate is there, and or operator is there. So the first it is x dot y plus z is equal to x dot y plus x dot z, and the second law it is x plus y dot z is equal to x plus y dot x plus z. Okay. Then first draw the logic circuit for this one. Draw the logic circuit for first distributive law. Logic circuit for first distributive law. X dot y plus z is equal to x dot y plus x dot z. Ranil, Alan, Navneet, switch on the video.
Connection slow, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Navneet. Naveen completed. Naveen. John Philip, how we can draw the first section? Which one is the common operator for first distributive law?
B.
Okay, that is AND gate.
And
Okay.
AND gate.
Then, which are the two inputs? What is the final output?
Final output is x into y plus z.
Okay. Then, which are the two inputs?
X and y plus z.
Okay, x and y plus z. How we can draw this y plus z?
OR gate.
Yeah, okay, or gate. Then, which are the inputs?
Y plus y and z.
Y and z. Okay. Okay, John. So here we are using one AND gate and one OR gate. AND gate for representing this dot symbol, and OR gate is for representing this plus symbol. Okay. First, the AND gate two inputs are x and y plus z. Here x is the first input and y plus z is the second input. So first we draw one x and y plus z. And for completing this y plus z, we are using here plus is used. So for representing plus, we are using OR gate. For this OR gate, we are using two input because y plus z is the answer. So the first input it is y and second input it is z. Okay. Tom, what about the second part? Which is equal to Tom? Okay. Which one is the common operator? OR gate. Okay. Then I will draw one OR gate. Then Then Tom, here what we will write?
The final output is x dot y plus
X dot y dot x dot z. Then which are the inputs for this OR gate?
dot y and x dot z.
Tom, little more louder.
X dot y and x dot z.
X dot y and x dot z. Okay. Then how we can find this s dot x to represent this x dot y?
And gate.
AND gate. Okay. Which are the two inputs for x dot y?
X and y.
X and y. Then what about this one?
And gate.
AND gate. Then
Inputs are x and y.
x and z. Okay. So we'll continue in the next studio 11. Okay. Okay, thank you.